Hello students, so today I am going to start a new chapter and the chapter name is weather and seasons. So that is chapter number 12. So up to chapter 11 I already given you all the videos and PDFs. So I hope that up to chapter 11 all the things are clear to you all. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to study about weather and seasons. There are how many types of weathers, there are how many types of seasons. Okay, so that all we are going to study about. Okay, so first of all I think that all of you know about that there are how many types of weathers, there are how many types of seasons, that all you know. But the main thing is that your chapter name is weather and seasons. So weather and seasons means that I want to ask from you all that weather and season both are same topic, both are same. No, both are not same. Okay, they both weather and seasons both are different from each other. Okay, so how they both are different from each other, that I will teach you in this chapter. Okay, so mostly what all the students think that weather and season both are same, because weather means that hot weather, cold weather, this one season means that summer season, winter season, so they both are same. But these two topics, weather and seasons, they both are different from each other. Okay, so first of all there are 365 days in a year, that we all know that there are 365 days in a year. In all days the weather remains same? No, weather not remains same all the days. Okay, so there are 365 days in a year, but the weather is not the same all the days. Okay, so it changes from day to day, weather changes from day to day. Okay, so it may be that sometimes we observe that summer season is going on, it means not that all days we feel hot. Sometimes it may be that when wind blows very fast, so it is windy weather. When sun is means that giving so much heat, that is sunny weather. Okay, when rain comes, it is rainy. Okay, so weather changes day to day. It may be sunny, cold, windy, cloudy or rainy, these all weather may be. Okay, so the change, and the most important thing is that how the weather changes day to day. So the change in weather is caused by sun, because when sun gives too much light, okay, so that is a sunny day, hot day. And the next, so the change in weather is caused by the four things, that is sun, wind, cloud and rain. So due to these all weather changes day to day. Okay, here on the page number 84 two pictures are here. Okay, so color the picture of the day you like better. Okay, complete the sentence to tell why you like it. So here two pictures are given. One is of cold day. Okay, and second one is of sunny or hot day. So which one you like the most, you have to color that one, and you have to write also below that picture. Blanks are given, so in that blanks you have to write also that why you like that weather too much. Okay, so next thing is that now how we can differentiate between weather and seasons. So right now I told you that weather changes day by day, weather changes day to day. But what is season? How we can define season? So when one type of weather, means that even sunny weather or windy, cloudy, rainy, when one type of weather stays for days, many days or months, because we all know that season changes, means that after 3 or 4 months. Okay, so when one type of weather stays for many days or months, we call it a season. Okay, so you all know like summer season, winter season, monsoon, okay, rainy season, so that we all know. So it means what, how we can differentiate between weather and season. Weather changes day to day, okay, and when weather, one type of weather, it may be that should be cloudy, windy, sunny, okay, any one. So when one type of weather stays for many days or many months, we call it a season. Okay, so there are how many seasons? So there are 5 different seasons in a year. So what are the 5 different seasons in a year? That should be, that is summer, monsoon, winter. These 3 are the main seasons of a year. Okay, and between that we can count like that in our country we can say that is spring and autumn season. These both are also, okay, between these 3 main seasons. So main seasons are only 3, that is that is summer, monsoon and winter. Okay, but that is means that between the means that among these 3 main seasons we can also add the 2 more seasons, that is autumn and that is autumn and spring. Okay, so these all are the 5 seasons that in our country. Okay, so that you have to study. So go through the video, try to understand these all topics about weather and seasons. Okay, in the next video I will discuss about summer, monsoon and winter, that what type of weather summer have, what type of weather monsoon have, and what type of weather rainy winter have. Okay, so that I will study. So go through the video and try to understand these all topics. Thank you.